Importance of artificial intelligence post-COVID-19 world. The world is now fighting one of humanity's toughest wars, the battle of coronavirus. Doctors, scientists, healthcare professionals, and many others are working to find a solution to this pandemic by putting their hearts and souls in. Artificial intelligence is one of the major mechanisms for understanding and analysis currently used. Applications of AI across industries. AI technology has already been introduced across different sectors, including mobility, education, manufacturing, e-commerce, communications, health, insurance, finance, and many more. These are just a few examples of some industry sectors using AI applications. Mobility. AI is already an important part of the mobility industry today, from voice assistants to semi-autonomous driving. Health. AI plays a key role in technical developments in the health field, ranging from autonomous surgical robots, robotic nursing assistants, and automated imaging diagnoses. And as technology advances, there is still room for further applications. Manufacturing. Perhaps one of the industries where the most demand is for robots and AI technology. High-performance robots can operate quicker, without stopping for longer periods, as long as they have access to a power source. Let us see how AI might change the world post-coronavirus. Automation. Surveillance. Virtual assistants. Scientific research. Automation. According to a recent study, in place of call center staff, many businesses use AI-powered bots and use some temporary workers to fill in other roles. Since this approach is saving a lot of money and energy, long after the pandemic is resolved, businesses should continue this activity. Surveillance. Governments use AI to improve their surveillance systems. For example, the surveillance camera video, mobile location data, and travel data are collected for contact tracing by governments. Hospitals, schools, universities, large government buildings, research laboratories, and prisons all can use AI-enabled surveillance systems. Virtual assistants. AI-based chatbots can answer COVID-19 related questions and provide facts, specific recommendations, prescribe preventive measures, and even track symptoms. Scientific research. Currently, research and development are being carried out with the help of AI algorithms and systems to combat COVID-19. Because AI is proving to be a success in speeding diagnosis, drug production, and detection, these techniques will certainly be used in the years ahead.